welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you this look, which is the wedding look of Alia Bhatt. So let's get this started. It's very essential to prep your skin first, and for that I'll be starting with my absolute favorite glow toner from MyGlam. Then I will apply the glow brightening essence from MyGlam.
Next, to add that extra glow, today I'll be using this 24K gold serum from Pilgrim, and you will see how glowy it makes my skin once I use it. Since Alia was looking all natural and glowy, this one is essential here. Next, as a primer to fill the pores and uneven textures, I'll be using this silicone based primer from Color Bar today.
Moving on to my foundation now. For my foundation today I'll be using this one from K Beauty in the shade 130Y medium. I love this foundation because it gives an amazing dewy coverage, and this is also a full coverage foundation. It gives a very flawless finish. So let's get into it. For my concealer today I'll be mixing two shades. One is from K Beauty and the shade name is 140Y medium, and the other one is from Swiss Beauty and the shade name is 04 medium beige. The reason behind this is the K Beauty one is my almost exact match, and the Swiss Beauty one is a little bit brighter, which will brighten up my under eyes and other high spots of the face. After blending it out well using this beauty blender from Color Bar, I'll be setting this concealed area quickly using the compact from MyGlam. So here I am applying a little bit of concealer at the edges of my brows to make the border look more clean. To add that freshness to the eyelid, I'll be applying this peachy shade from this Kiro Beauty blush palette, and I'll be applying over the crease area and on the lid of course. And later on I'll be taking this bronzer from MyGlam and I'll be applying this bronzer right above the upper lash line, because as you can see in this picture, the line above the upper lash line is a bit browny, and then I'll move on with the kajal. But before that I'll mix this both these shades from this Kiro Beauty blush duo palette, and I will swipe it across the lower lash line. Now I will just cover the upper and the lower waterline using this kajal. This is from LYV Makeup and this is a jet black matte kajal. I absolutely love it. And I'll also draw a very thin line just above the lash line to give my eye a little bit of shape, and later on I'll just smudge it out to make it look very natural, just like the picture. So now it's almost done. Now it's time to curl my lashes and apply an even coat of mascara, and for that today I'll be using this twisted mascara from MyGlam. So my eyes are done. Now it's time to contour my face, and for that today I'll be using this HD bronzer duo from MyGlam in the shade Terracotta and Cinnamon. After contouring my face, I'll just add that dash of color in my face to add that freshness. So for that today I'll be using this blush from MyGlam and the shade name is 01 Frozen Raspberry. Finally, it's time to set my makeup. For that today I'm using my all-time favorite makeup fixer, which is MAC Prep and Prime. After that I'll be applying highlighter, and you can see I'm using this highlighter from the MyGlam Chisel It palette. So we are done. It's time to apply a good nude lipstick and we are good to go. For my lips, I'll be lining it first using this mauvey brownie kind of lip liner from MyGlam. Then I'll be filling my lips using this moisturizing matte lipstick from Nykaa, and the shade name is 21M Caramel Mocha.